Alright, here are the scariest alarm sounds around the world. Let's take a look. Canada. Okay. That's kind of scary. That's a lot more scary than I thought it was going to be. Okay. I'll give like an 8. Japan. Okay, dude, that can't be... Dude, that made me fall asleep, bro. Oh. Okay. That's a little more scary. That's like a 5 out of 10. That's like a 5 out of 10. New Zealand. Okay, that's like a basic alarm. It's not too scary, but you know something's wrong. I'll give like a 7. 7.5. Alright, subscribe if you guys want a part 2.